Hey guys, I told you in a short that we're making ribeye steak, bison ribeye steak, right here, and then we've got a elk T-bone steak. So David's asleep. He may come yelling here in a minute, so watch out. But we're going to season this and show you how it's done. Oil in there. Anyway, let's do the elk T-bone. This is from Grande Premier Meats in Del Norte, or Norte, whatever you want to call it, I don't know how you spell it, in Colorado. Multiple ones in there. Didn't know that. That was a giant one. Okay. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this. We're down in the river. It's called Alamo Cattle Company. It's made in Rock Springs. You know, beef, pork, poultry, and fish. So there we go. Season it nice. And I'm gonna there's that. Okay. Here's the bison. Kind of tenderize it a little bit. Voila, they're seasoned. Now it's time for our trout.
Actually, you know, if it was me,
What?
I'd use lemon pepper and blacken.
Pepper and blacken?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one?
Yeah. So I'm gonna try one, a pineapple teriyaki. It was good on ribs. One on fish. And then a lemon pepper with, I don't know if we have blackened anymore.
Yeah, I thought we did.
I don't know. We got some other. Alright. Use real butter. Blacken.
That's not even real butter.
Yes, it is.
That's margarine.
No, it's not. This is margarine. I stole this from my dad at the river. It's real butter.
Oh.
Blackened. Alright. I am going to... First I season it, so we're going to do the lemon pepper first. Kind of frozen in the middle of it. Still, it's okay. It's okay. Alright. Yes, I seasoned it generally, okay? Oh, that was a lot. There we go. Okay. Now we go with the butter. Squirt. Who's gonna want to do a big one, right? I'll give him this little one to do.
Yeah. Here in a minute, I want you to move the black truck with the awning out. I gotta tell you.
Okay. Yeah, I know. We need to get our cowboy cooking area done.
Yeah. Bad.
Alright. It's not gonna score. Okay. There. Double wrap this. Put it in there. There's your other nice little rainbow. Oh, it's pretty. It's so pretty. I do it generously. Leave me alone, folks. You have to. It infuses the flavors. Infuses it. Infuses it. Okay? Yeah. I have one on Luke's grill. I think I'm going to do the pineapple turkey on Luke. He's going to do an open grill at his. I do a generous helping of butter. I just do. You have to. Butter makes everything better. Butter. Oh my gosh, it's like butter. Millennials will know what that means. Do 2 on that one. Okay, it's seasoned. Alright, I'm also making some fresh zucchini from the garden. This was huge. I cut them in chunks. Some I left in small thin slices, however you like it. I'm gonna get my onion now. Where I put the onion in there. Where's the butter? Lay mine in chunks. Covers more. I don't use a lot of onion because David don't like a lot of onion. You can add potatoes with this. I'm using potatoes tomorrow for our deer steak. Alright. So I'm going to go in with some salt and pepper. That was a lot. I'm going to put the butter on. A little generous with your butter. Generous with your butter. In this case, it's margarine, but it's okay. I'm probably gonna use a whole stick. I'm gonna finish it off with some Kinders. Buttery garlic and herb. Oh, it's so good. I'm about out of it. Need to get some more. Put that on even with the butter. Okay. Wrap it up. Told you David needed to do his cooking area, but this is the awning and I'll take it. Steak's going on, fish are on.
Hey, these are Elk T-bones, right?
Yep.
A buffalo ribeye.
Yep. Okay. Gonna reveal it. So many full pieces. No, leave me alone. Okay. Ooh. Peel them off like that. Here we go. So move the skin away. That's good. I like that. A little Cajun kick to it. The lemon pepper. The butter did amazing. Alright guys. That was a hit. You peel away the bones. There's a little bit of pin bones in there. But if you cook it right, they won't be in there like this one. See the pin bones? See right there? Peel them away. Like that. They won't be in there. So, tip for you. Even if you fry them, you can peel the skin away and the bones will be just perfect. So, that's that. I haven't done the steak. I'll do the steak here in a minute. Let's go. Alright, here is the elk T-bone. Has a smoky flavor to it. I'm gonna let it rest. I mean, it's a little tough if you look at that. It's good. I thought. Not that. Alright, so I'm gonna try the bison. Try the bison. Here's the bison. Ooh, I like that one better. I like that better. Tastes like a steak. I mean, just like a steak. Yeah, that's the winner. This trout and then that. So, it's good. Ooh, there's the squash and zucchini mix with the onion. Well, not squash, it's mainly zucchini and butter and onion. So, there's that. I'll show you the plate afterwards. Luke, you tried the steak. You tried Mom's trout.
Mom's is way better.
Yours is better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do we got here? We got
Squash and zucchini.
Oh.
What do you think of the elk?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Here, try this one.
Yeah, try that one.
This is buffalo.
Yeah, buffalo's good. You'll like that one. This is a little piece.
Oh,
Dad,
that's dang, dude. Here you go.
Try a piece.
just tastes like that one.
Does it?
Does it?
Yeah?
You don't like it?
No.
That's using that.
Okay.
Okay, well, there you go.
There you have it.
But I still think this trout's really good.
The trout's good.
Tear it all up. You
Trout.
can have-
Tear the trout up.
Every bit of it.
It's lemon pepper and a little blackened. This is David's plate, finally. Did you come around to the elk steak?
No, the elk steak's pretty good. It's good and tender.
Good and tender?
Yeah.
Yeah. My squash zucchini said it's not, but it's fine. Anyway, we hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Comment what you want to see us do next, which I think next video I'm going to be doing is our tomatoes. I'm going to dice some tomatoes and can them. I'm going to show you what it's like. Again, I don't go to Taco Bell and get the diarrhea parasite that's going on. So, we have everything homegrown. I thought the trout was phenomenal. I thought it was great.
It's very good.
It's very good. See, David said it was very good. I thought it was good too. Very flavorful. I think I like it better when it's like cooked on an open skillet, open fire. I think I do. I know Luke does too, but anyway, like and subscribe. God bless you. Thank you.